Hey everybody, and welcome to another HT tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to customize the picture-in-picture effect in Camtasia Studio 6. Now for this first clip I couldn't actually show you how to get the picture-in-picture effect using my screen capture software, so bear with me here. I'm just going to show you guys when you enter the recording, basically the main menu before you start recording in Camtasia Studio 6, you'll come across a number of things. So as I pick up the camera here, pardon me, this is not Camtasia Studio 6, but you can record a specific dimension, and normally this will be off right here. And you will just have that big record button and you'll be able to record. Now this HP laptop actually has a built-in webcam, so it recognizes it automatically, so what we're going to do is come down here and hit the camera button. There I am. And it's recognized the camera. So now I'm speaking to the camera up here, and it won't actually start recording, but when I actually do go up and hit the record button, it'll begin recording both the screen and my webcam at the same time. So I'm going to get, and the audio actually. So I'm going to get back to you guys and actually show you now a test video and just go over customizing the picture-in-picture effects in Camtasia Studio 6. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Alright, we switched over to the actual screen recording software here, and what we're going to do is open up Camtasia Studio 6, and in order to first of all modify the picture-in-picture effect, we're going to go over to the Import Media tab and import a little bit of media, and make sure this is media that again you recorded using Camtasia Studio 6 with the picture-in-picture effect. So I'm just going to import this .camrec file. It's a very small file, so it should load up quickly. So here it is. Just drag it down to the timeline and it will be on your timeline. You will have, first of all, you'll have to select your preset, and I'm going to choose my HD preset because I like to make all my videos in 1280 by 720. If you want to know how to make that preset, by the way, I did a video on it and it got a lot of good ratings, so that's a good idea to check that out. So, yeah, smart focus now. Alright, so here is our clip down on the timeline. It is a .avi, and you will see there is a video one, and there's a picture-in-picture and audio. Now, I didn't actually do any talking during this test, so it'll be a very flat line for the audio. But there is a picture-in-picture video, which is the webcam video, picture-in-picture audio, and the actual screen recording itself. So what we're going to do is, if we want to customize the picture-in-picture effect, which you can see down at the right-hand side, that's a little preview of what we've got here. So there's me in the bottom right-hand corner. What we're going to do to customize this is go over here to Edit, and go all the way down to picture-in-picture and select it. And here we have one picture-in-picture clip, which you saw I just imported, and we're going to select Modify Selected PIP Clip. And here's where it really gets pretty cool. What we can do here is we can, first of all, over here on the right-hand side, you can modify and drag the size of what you want to be. So I have my keyframe all the way at the beginning here. I want to be taking up a good portion of the screen at the beginning of the screen capture. However, I'm a little blurry right there, so I'm going to shrink it down a little bit. It keeps the aspect ratio. I'll put myself right in the middle of the screen. Hit OK. Then we hit Finish. We're going to play this clip a little bit. And we got to put to a point where we want to move myself out of the way. Pause. And I'm going to actually make sure that keyframe is selected. Then I'll go up to picture-in-picture again, Modify, and here it is. We were actually going to move ourselves down to the bottom right-hand corner and shrink down to a smaller size. So it's a good high resolution, like I'm all the way in the bottom of the screen right now, and that's a good small size. Other things that we can change in the picture-in-picture effect, first of all, the dimensions are right here. We can change the opacity, so if we want to completely disappear and show up later, we can actually fade ourselves in right here, and it'll be 100% opaque. And this works if you're just a watermark, or if you actually want to show yourself and something might be behind you and you don't feel like moving it. You can just set yourself to be a little more transparent so you can see the entire screen recording. Next, you can include a border, and you can also select the border color and thickness. So here's the palette for selecting your border color, and you can also fade the picture-in-picture in and out, which is very useful, and I do that. Also, what we can do is add a drop shadow to the picture-in-picture effect, and I'll go to the top left since I'm in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, and then you can see I'm in the bottom right-hand corner. Other things you can do is show and hide the picture-in-picture, obviously. That's the basic, the general dimensions and things you can do with customizing the picture-in-picture effect, which I'm using right now. You can also hit the Assist Me button, and TechSmith will give you a whole ton of modifying picture-in-picture tutorials, and if you hit the Show Me button, they actually have video tutorials using their own software, demonstrating their own software, so that's pretty cool. So once you're done with all these changes, just hit OK and Finished. and your picture-in-picture effect has been completely modified. As you can see by the preview, I got the shadow, the red border, and everything. So I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Peace.